Hey guys, we're live at 6:39 running a final mini for Gary's 85 plus VC Jawa. It sure is sweet. Oh, look at him there. I got 10 spots, or excuse me, I got 12 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top three. Pasting here, rolling here. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, which means it's on. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Ryan in the top spot for our first round and second round. Jason 3 and 4. Doubleman anyone. Hans, round 5. Steve 6 and 7. Working in pairs here as we come to the final round. Here we go. And our winners are Ryan and Jason. There we go. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. FID VQD. Ryan at 10, Jason at 9 and 6 are our victors. I'm done at 6:40 p.m. on a Sunday evening. There you go. There they are one more time in case you missed them. Congrats, guys. See you next time.